The basic tools to open up a car. A jack tool. This just wedges the door a little bit, the window a little bit, the door frame a little bit. 2 high quality airbags. The most, probably 80% or more. Long reach tool. And the little strip to pull the buttons. It's got a little piece of sandpaper on the end there. And the more sophisticated tool, it's got like the little noose on the back, and I can pull this to grab onto the button. And do not use Slim Jims. There's some older cars you can use a Slim Jim. The new stuff, you have airbags inside the door, all over the place. Some of the cars got 9 airbags inside. You could reach inside the door and cause one of the airbags to go off. Don't use a Slim Jim. When I was a kid, this opened up like 100% of everything. A few cars, yes, I still use the Slim Jim, and I'll show you the case coming up where I still use the Slim Jim, but don't use it on any modern car. You're going to cause damage to the car, and everything now is plastic inside, so don't use this. But I'll show you the occasional car you can use it on. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.